Alright, here we are getting the front all done up. Just want to show you guys this little guy here. You see? It's hard to hold this. You see how there's slight back and forth? This guy's gonna have to get shimmed too. Also the front pinion where it comes through needs to be shimmed, or else it'll just be too loose and grinding. But the rear is like butter. Got the rear done yesterday. All the brass portals, silver aluminum housing with the endurance stainless shafts. Everything's beautiful, all phased up. Look at that. Once the front's done, we got the brass steering links going in too. Got the brass portals ready to go. Stay tuned. All right, this guy took two little shims here. Hold the ring gear in place. Getting her all done. Pinions all shimmed up nice. Zero play. Nothing's binding. Nothing clicks, make noise. Gonna get her back together and give her a little test run.